Hey guys, thank you so much for taking our call earlier. Earlier, you spoke with my wife, and I also want to give you thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I don't want to take too much of your time. I'm just going to show you some free tips and tricks on how to become more how to become more relevant online and how to increase your online presence altogether. Okay, so the three things we're going to talk about today is content. Secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks, and then lastly, we're going to talk about citations. Okay, and if you don't know what those things are, it's not a problem. I'm gonna break those things down today. Okay, and you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And if I'm completely honest with you, most business owners, especially of restoration business owners, and I can see here that you do roofing as well, they're just way too busy, doing the day-to-day and running their business, that they really are not educated in how the internet can bring them even more of that business, right? So that's basically all I'm going to do for you today. Okay, some people call me back after watching this video, some people don't, but whatever you decide to do from here on out, I mean, it's completely up to you. Okay, now first and foremost, as I was just kind of going through your website, I did notice that you're certified. I mean, I was looking at all these things here, and that is amazing. Right, it's beautiful to see. It definitely builds trust, right? Showing your customers or your potential clients as well that you guys actually do what you say you're going to do, and that you guys are, the standard, right, in Little Rock, Arkansas. So, but unfortunately, guys, Google is more worried about the amount of content that you have on your page. Okay, meaning they're more worried about the amount of words that are on your site. Okay, and then also the keywords that are associated with that, right? So if I were to just go ahead and copy all the words here on your site here, let's see if it'll let me. Yeah, there it is. So even the pictures can also count as words as long as they're saved under keywords, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on my word counter here. And as you can see, you have a total of 138 words total on your landing page, right, or on your home page. Now, a really authoritative website, Google counts an authoritative website to have anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words. Okay, so even if you just wanted to crack that 1,000 word mark, that could definitely increase your visibility on Google. Okay, that would help you pop up in more searches, especially in Little Rock. Okay. Now that is the first tip for you. The second tip for you, I went on ahead and typed in your website into my tool here. Now this tool is called Ahrefs, okay, and there are plenty of other free tools out there. This one, obviously, I pay for, considering I am in the industry, but there are free tools out there if you just want to Google keyword researcher for free or backlink checker for free, and you could definitely see what I'm seeing here. Okay, and what Ahrefs does, basically, it kind of peels back the curtain, and it allows me to see kind of what's going on in the background of your website. Breaks out some stats, things like that, and it just kind of shows me what's going on. Okay, so according to my tool here, you have 21 referring domains and 321 backlinks. Okay, and basically what that means is that you have 21 other websites that are pushing traffic towards you. Right, that's what the referring domains are. And then the backlinks are just the number of times that these websites are pushing traffic to you. So you have 21 websites pushing traffic to your website, and they're doing so 321 times, okay? Now you have a total of 51 organic keywords, all right, on your entire website. You have roughly 66 people per month, right? This is just an average, visiting, excuse me, your website per month, bringing you a total of $180 in traffic value. So I went on ahead and did the same thing with your competitors, and I know that these guys are franchised, but it's okay. Okay, this might seem intimidating, but I promise you it's not at all. Okay, you could rank locally so that you could beat these guys out. These Service Master. Okay. So as you can see here, they have 3,334 referring domains and 1,50,000 backlinks. Okay, that's bringing them a total of $348,000 in traffic value. Okay, now as I said, this might seem like an impossible feat, but I promise you it's not. I've worked with other restoration companies in beating out franchises, okay, that have the backing of their franchise, company, right, of their parent company. So this is nothing, okay, I promise you. So if you were to go here to the referring domains, you'd actually be able to see exactly where they're getting their traffic from. Okay, now as you can see here, most of their traffic is coming from their parent website here, Service Master. So basically, Google is a popularity contest, right? So they want to see that there are other uh, restoration companies or restoration blogs or restoration forums, right? Water damage forums, things like that are pushing traffic to you. It builds trust according to Google, okay? And it allows you to become more visible. It allows people to see your website more, okay? Now, as I said, don't feel intimidated that these guys have all these big numbers or anything like that. They're only getting that traffic from their parent company, okay? And if these backlinks and these referring domains are good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you, right? You just got to do the research and see exactly where they're getting their traffic from, okay? Now, lastly, I'm going to talk to you about citations. Now, citations are just anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, okay? And a directory is basically, obviously, you've got Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, White Pages, Yellow Pages, right? So those just right off the top of my head, you can put your business into all those directories there, and that would build your citation list, okay? Now, having more citations than your competitors is how you end up here in this map pack, okay? It doesn't matter where you are in Little Rock. As long as you have more citations than your competitors, you'll end up here in this #1 spot here, okay? So if service restoration has anywhere between, 100 to 150 different citations, then you would want, 200, 250 just to ensure that you're constantly dominating here in this #1 spot, okay? And if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? I don't know if you're like me. I don't go down to the 3rd or 4th page of Google to see what I'm looking for, okay, or to find what I'm looking for. I usually trust the map pack. So you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So you have two options, obviously. So the first option is to take all this information and utilize it, right? Use it yourself, being able to up your content to at least 1,000 words, right? Using relevant keywords like the one I used here, Restoration Services, Little Rock, Arkansas. Utilize that on your website. So the second thing, obviously, is doing the research for those backlinks and those referring domains, ensuring that you're able to plug your businesses or your business into those backlinks as well. And then lastly is the citations, right? Even if you wanted to do a Little Rock Chamber of Commerce, right? That would also help build your citation list, and that one's local, so that would even boost you up even higher up here, okay? If you were needing any guidance in any way, you could definitely reach out to me. I've worked with restoration companies all over the U.S., right? And if you needed any guidance in any way, please reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to help you. Again, thank you so much for your time, guys. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. You guys have an amazing day, okay?